marketing is market analysis and target market identification. So, what is market analysis? Market analysis is research or market aims to anticipate or predict the direction of growth. Market will be analyzed through market size, market segment, competitors, and distribution channel. Market size is a market segment who are potential buyer. For example, now have pandemic COVID-19 influence demand decrease, cause businesses need to focus more on promote their product to increase sales. Market segment is categorized customer based on the similar characteristic of them. Competitor is who have sell similar product in the market. Well, distribution channel is chain of business process goods or service to the end user. For instance, nowadays, all order taking method will done in virtual environment without face-to-face to prevent the COVID-19.
For the target market identification, it is to determine and focusing for the consumer within the group that follows the company segmentation. Okay, first for the geography, it is for dividing the consumer based on their location such as city and country. So usually face mask company will focus solely for the place where face mask is mandatory. Next is demography, is personal information of the consumer like their age, gender and so on. So company will focus what the necessary things for those group, especially during this MCO period. Next is behavioral, where regarding personality of the consumer, like twice their overspend or their buying and purchasing behavior, whether they are overspending or they are someone who make research thoroughly before buying something. Lastly, regarding the psychography, is for the customer interest and lifestyle, whether the vaccination process, whether they are someone who pursue the vaccination or they are someone who observe the result first.
Okay, for the factor affecting media planning have two factors, which are internal factor and external factor. For the internal factor is referring to factor related to the company, such as size of company, size of organization and others. Advertising budget is most important while selecting the media planning. If the cost of budget is high, the media such as television can be selected. But if the cost is small, the cheap media will be selected. Okay, for the external factor is referring to factor include media coverage, media image and others. While selected the media, advertiser must consider media selected by competitors and leaders of the company.